Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome back to another scam busting episode. Guys, today we're going to cover an app that promises you real life rewards, boosts to your credit card, Amazon gift cards, PayPal rewards. You want to be rich, everyone? You play Lucky Diamond, the app, okay? I'm sure you've seen the advertisements all over the Play Store right now. These guys are sneaky little rats, okay? What is going on out here, dude? Seriously, I've just given up. The whole thing's a fix. This app is a fix, everyone. You'll never get your rewards. I've seen, and I will be putting real life people's reviews, not the bought reviews for 5 stars from China or the freaking African jungle or the desert. None of that stuff. I'll be putting real people's reviews in this video, okay? You'll be seeing them pop up throughout this video. You want to see why this is the biggest scam ever? You just keep watching, okay? Guys, these apps are one of them, like literally every corner. Think of it this way: you're walking down a street, every corner of the street has an app like this that promises real life rewards for playing their app, okay? This app has been done 3 times at least easily on my channel so far. Not this specific app, right? Not this specific one, but the exact type of app where you have to merge things together. If you guys don't know, I try non-stop, like every day, 3 times a day. I've been playing scam apps on my channel to save you guys money and save you guys time. So many people have thanked me for saving them time, dude, and it makes me so happy to stop these lying scumbag developers, dude. I'm not even joking. It makes me so happy that people are thanking me to stopping them from playing these apps. Guys, this is another app that will never, ever pay out. Ever. Okay? And if on the odd chance the developer pays someone to try and prove me wrong, I can almost guarantee 1 out of at least 100,000 people or 1 million people that play this app, whoever knows how many people have played this app, will never ever get paid. Okay? Think about this. 1 person out of like 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 would get paid. Think of it that way. You're going to bust your behind. You're going to bust your behind to work up money like this because it promises you $15 USD. Guys, I swear, I've been doing this a long time, right? Busting these apps so far. 1 month straight, almost 100 apps. Bang, 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 bang. This is the biggest telltale sign. They have a limit, minimum cash out, and it's usually around 200 to 150 or 100 USD. It's always in that price range. Always in that price range, okay? Look what happens, you ready? You don't have $150 USD. So do you know what happens now? We have to keep playing, okay? We have to keep playing until we try and get to 150 USD. The only problem is that the deeper you get into this app, the lower the rewards will be as time goes on. So you'd think in a normal app, right, that's going to apparently earn you money and earn you heaps of cash, and, you know, give you these big credit card rewards, and you're going to be rich driving your Lamborghini. Dude, usually what happens, right, you expect in apps, it gets better rewards the harder the app gets, but this is the opposite. It gives you the best rewards to lure you in. Like, it's literally fishing for you. Think of it as a little bait. What is this? I don't know what that is. What are these ads, dude? It's just it's in Chinese or something. I just can't handle it. What am I meant to do here, guys? What would you do if you were me? Like, what would you do if you were me? Like, look, now it's $10 instead of $15. We're up to $25 already. Let's keep it going. What's the exchange rate for Amazon? The same. I need $150 apparently. Sneaky little rats, these developers, bro. They know exactly what they're doing. I love it. I just love coming down on these guys hard. I couldn't care less what happens, man. I got nothing to lose, seriously. I mean, what's going to happen? Someone from China or somewhere in the sticks, like literally in the forest somewhere or Antarctica, is going to come message me and say, why are you calling my app a scam? No one's ever going to tell me why I'm not calling the app a scam, because the apps are scams. Show me your deposits. Show me your withdrawals to real life people. I want to see it. I want to see thousands of payments sent to real life people, you guys out there who deserve the money, okay? We need to stop letting these developers scam you guys. You don't get it. I'm doing these videos because I have a mission now. My channel is literally dedicated to taking on these scam apps. I've got nothing else to do now, dude. Literally. Like, I got work, but then after that, I don't want to play games. I just want to bust. I want to bust these apps down to nothing, to what they deserve to be, and that's nothing. And I hope you guys join me along for the ride, because goddamn everyone, we have an adventure. An adventure coming up, my friend. You wait and see what I've got in store for you from now to the end of the year, okay? This is going to be big. Absolutely big. And if you haven't seen it, if you want to learn how to earn real money, check out my stock trading videos, okay? On the channel right now. Anyone can sign up. Literally, I have the link in the description for eToro at the moment. That's the app I'm currently using, eToro. Whether or not it's a scam or not, I guess we'll find out as time goes on, but I'm using it. I'm having a freaking awesome time on it. That's a real app that will earn you real finances and real money. Legitimate app. Not this trash where you think that you're going to win $150 from spinning some tops here and shooting rockets off. You know what I mean? Like, what do you really expect? Let's me and you talk on a personal level here. Me and you, the viewer. Let's be real, everyone. It's too good to be true. We're just nothing to these developers. We're just little dollar symbols, okay? This is too good to be true. You're never gonna win money out of these apps, bro. Do me a favor. Go to Lucky Diamond's app and tell them how you really feel, okay? What's this? Like, get off my screen, dude. I hate these ads, seriously. Yeah, tell them how you feel. Because they're scams. They are absolute scams. I mean, what do you do? I'm only at $47 apparently, everyone. Yeah, right, dude. Yeah. Let's keep going. Let's see how long that lasts for, hey? I've got about 3 minutes left. I like to only push out these videos in 8-minute incrementals. It allows me to actually get paid for making videos, which is great. But it also gives me enough time to absolutely rip these developers to shreds, which I love. I absolutely love it, dude. Every day I look forward to coming home and just sitting down and destroying developers that like to scam you guys out there, the average people, or the poor people that need money because their families are sick. Do you know how many messages I get from people telling me their families are sick, dude? It makes me sad. But what am I meant to do? All I can do is help you. Avoid these scams. Stop wasting your time on these junk apps, guys. I'm going to war, dude. You check out my channel right now. It's a Scam Buster channel. I'm going to war against these apps, and that's all there is to it. And I'll help you guys get real-life money eventually, okay? I will find an app. I promise. I will find an app that will earn you money. I just have to find it. At the moment, as I said, eToro is very good, and same with Plus 500. You can get money out of those stock trading websites or apps, but the only problem is you need to know what you're doing. And here's a reduction already, $6.24. Here we go, it begins. It begins, everyone. We're not earning $15 anymore. Now we drop down to $6. See? It's already starting, guys. You're not so clever, developers. I'm onto you. I've played your apps before, my friends. Oh, man, it's just so angry. It makes me so mad. You win, yeah, like you're gonna win gift card prizes and stuff. It's so pathetically wrong. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's one big fix. The whole thing is one big fix, dude. It's rigged from the start. You never had a chance. You never had a chance to win money, alright? I just love ranting. I love ranting on here every day. It feels so good to get it out of my system. I just love it. I love you guys enjoying it, okay? Let's wrap it up here. I'm not playing this app anymore. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my channel for more scam busting episodes. See you later, everyone.